Welcome back, everybody. I'm on vacation with my family here in beautiful Custer, South Dakota. Buffalo. They're everywhere around these parts. Buffalo here, buffalo there. So we have to do it. A buffalo bacon blue cheese dog. First things first, some South Dakota smoked applewood bacon. I'm gonna chop the bacon up into small pieces. I brought the Blackstone 22-inch E-Series up to South Dakota with us. Really easy to transport, nice to take on vacation. Bacon down on the griddle top. We're about 300 degrees right now. Bacon is cooking really nice. We're gonna throw a little bit of olive oil down on this side of the griddle, and the meat that inspired the video, South Dakota jumbo bison hot dog. And we'll go down with my bison dogs. I always have to season my hot dogs. The essential blend works perfectly, and I can twist them every few minutes. E-Series is so non-stick. Look at this. We can just scrape our grease gently out of the way. It's so easy to use. It's so easy to clean. I always tell people it's like an ice skating rink. You want to make sure you're using a Blackstone plastic spatula on the E-Series. And one difference with using Blackstone's outdoor griddles as compared to Blackstone's E-Series is you don't want to leave your spatula on an E-Series. These spatulas are rated to around 400 or 500 degrees, but they're for using only, right? A piece of metal, a Blackstone spatula can be set on an outdoor griddle, but if you let this sit on here for 10 or 20 minutes, it's obviously gonna melt. The bacon's looking good. I'm gonna take some blue cheese and put it on top. The reason is blue cheese takes forever to melt, so I'm thinking I'll just mix a little bit in with my bacon. St. Pierre brioche hot dog buns. Put them down on the griddle top, warm them up for a few minutes. Give them a little flip. Oh yeah, perfect. Brioche bun has a lot of butter, a lot of egg. Look how beautiful. It's my first time using my Blackstone E-Series Griddle scoop, by the way. Bacon blue cheese mixture onto a plate. Then I should be able to carefully garnish the tops of the hot dogs with little mess. Take a look at that. Brioche buns glistening in the kitchen light. South Dakota buffalo bacon blue cheese dogs. Let's give it a try. First thing I noticed, the buffalo dog, the bison, it has a more rich flavor, if you will, than beef. So they taste delicious. That bun is just perfectly cooked, right? Some people send me messages saying, Todd, I can't get the temperatures dialed in on the griddle. If that's an issue for you, E-Series is a nice option because it's really forgiving whether you're making pancakes or cooking bacon. And that blue cheese, you have to like blue cheese, of course. If you don't like blue cheese, you could probably use something different. Maybe just do bacon and put mustard on top. You figure it out, but I wanted to go with the B's today, the alliteration, right? Buffalo, bacon, and blue cheese. And I'll show you just how easy it is to clean the E-Series. I'm using my griddle scoop. This could be my spatula, lightly pushing everything. There is no scraping involved on the E-Series. It's as easy as this. Grab some paper towels, wipe all those crumbs back into your grease cup. If you do get a spot that seems to be a little more sticky, give it a little extra, dare I say, scrape with your plastic spatula, and it's as easy as that. Figured we'd come fireside for the closing shot, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up or comment down below, and check out all of our shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the buffalo bacon blue cheese dogs.